Testing out a dash cam that I got from a yard sale for only $4. It's supposed to be 1080p. You know it's made in China. I don't think any dash cams are made in USA. I hope it comes out real nice. It looks clear on the screen. Ah, they wrecked up there. Look at how this all blocked up. There's the fire truck. Look how they blocked that all up. Yeah, how am I gonna get through to go home? Well, I can cut through Boston Market. That'll work. Maybe I can get around the side. Yeah, we can get around the side. Largo Fire Rescue. Wow, they shut that completely off. I guess they can squeeze around. Hope this dash cam works good. It's on a 3-minute loop. These drivers are crazy today. 2 people just almost hit me. It's supposed to be shooting in 1080p. I'd like a 4K dash cam. I bet they come out real nice.